You're in a foreign country. Something goes wrong. You need help fast, but your mind goes blank. You forget every English word you know. This happened to me in Thailand. I was sick, really sick, but I couldn't explain what was wrong. I knew thousands of English words, but in that moment, I couldn't say simple sentences like, I need help, or call a doctor. Welcome to Episode 1 of English Survival Phrases. Today, I'm sharing the 10 most important phrases that can save your day when things go wrong. These aren't just words. These are your lifelines. Here's the truth about emergency English. You need sentences that work immediately. Let me show you exactly how to use these 10 survival sentences. Now, let's learn your 10 emergency survival sentences. Practice each one. Say them out loud. Your life might depend on them someday. Phrase 1. Help me, please. Use this when you're in any dangerous situation. Someone is attacking you. You're stuck somewhere. You can't breathe. This works in crowds. People will turn around and ask what's wrong. Say it loud. Help me, please. Phrase 2. I need a doctor. Use this when you have chest pain. You can't stop bleeding. You feel very dizzy. You think you broke something. Don't say, I have a medical emergency. Just say, I need a doctor. People will call 911 or take you to a hospital. Phrase 3. Call the police. Use this when someone threatens you. You see a crime happening. Someone won't leave you alone. Your hotel room was robbed. Say it to anyone. Store workers, hotel staff, people on the street. They'll understand immediately. Phrase 4. Where is the hospital? Use this when you need medical help but can walk. Someone else needs help and you're helping them. You need to find the emergency room. Point in different directions and ask, where is the hospital? People will show you the way. Phrase 5. I'm lost. Use this when you can't find your hotel. You missed your bus stop. You're in the wrong part of town. You don't know how to get back. People love helping lost tourists. Say, I'm lost. I need to go to, and show them your hotel address. Phrase 6. I don't feel well. Use this when you have food poisoning. You're very tired and dizzy. You have a fever. You need to sit down. This phrase works everywhere. Restaurants, buses, offices. People will give you water, a chair, or call for help. Phrase 7. Someone stole my wallet. Use this when your pocket is empty. Your bag is open and money is gone. You saw someone take your things. Go to police, hotel staff, or store managers. They'll help you make a report and contact your bank. Phrase 8. I need to call my embassy. Use this when police arrested you. Your passport is stolen. You're in serious legal trouble. You need help with visa problems. Embassy workers speak your language and understand your country's laws. They're your safety net. Phrase 9. Is there anyone who speaks your language? Use this when you need to explain something complex. You're at a hospital and need to describe symptoms. You're at a police station. You're dealing with legal papers. Many places have multilingual staff. Ask, is there anyone who speaks Spanish or your language? Phrase 10. Thank you for helping me. Use this when someone helped you find the hospital. A stranger called police for you. Hotel staff solved your problem. Someone translated for you. This sentence shows respect and makes people feel good about helping you. Always say it. Here's what makes these phrases work. They're short, clear, and use simple words. Most importantly, they tell people exactly what you need. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to say the words clearly. Practice these 10 phrases until they become automatic.
When you're stressed or scared, your brain forgets complicated English, but it will remember simple phrases you practiced many times. These 10 phrases can handle most emergency situations you'll face while traveling or living abroad. But what about daily life? What about buying things, asking for directions, or basic conversations? See you in episode 2, where we tackle the survival phrases you need for shopping and daily needs. Until then, practice these emergency phrases. You never know when you might need them.